Question 76. A cloud practitioner needs to rapidly deploy a popular IT solution and start using it immediately. What should the cloud practitioner use? Now the options are: Option 1. AWS Quick Start reference deployments. Option 2. Amazon CloudFront. Option 3. AWS well-architected framework documentation. Option 4. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. And the correct answer is Option 1. AWS Quick Start reference deployments. Explanation. Quick Starts are built by AWS Solutions architects and partners to help you deploy popular technologies on AWS based on AWS best practices for security and high availability. These accelerators reduce hundreds of manual procedures into just a few steps, so you can build your production environment quickly and start using it immediately. Each Quick Start includes AWS CloudFormation templates that automate the deployment and a guide that discusses the architecture and provides step-by-step deployment instructions. AWS Quick Start reference deployments is the correct answer. AWS well-architected framework documentation is incorrect. The well-architected framework is documentation that provides guidance on design best practices. It is not used to actually deploy anything. Amazon CloudFront is incorrect. CloudFront is a content delivery network CDN that catches content for better performance. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is incorrect. Elastic Beanstalk can be used to easily deploy certain web applications. However, you still need to supply the code and it is limited to EC2 instances. Question 77. Which AWS program can help an organization to design, build, and manage their workloads on AWS? Now, the options are: Option 1. AWS Business Development Manager. Option 2. APN Technology Consultants. Option 3. AWS Technical Account Manager. Option 4. APN Consulting Partners. And the correct answer is Option 4. APN Consulting Partners. Explanation. APN Consulting Partners are professional services firms that help customers of all sizes design, architect, build, migrate, and manage their workloads and applications on AWS. Consulting partners include system integrators, strategic consultancies, agencies, managed service providers, and value-added resellers. None of the other options are AWS programs that can assist a customer with the design, build, and management of their workloads. APN Consulting Partners is the correct answer. APN Technology Consultants is incorrect. AWS Business Development Manager is incorrect. AWS Technical Account Manager is incorrect. Question 78. How can an online education company ensure their video courses play with minimal latency for their users around the world? Now the options are: Option 1. Use Amazon CloudFront to get the content closer to users. Option 2. Use Amazon EBS cross-region replication to get the content close to the users. Option 3. Use Amazon Aurora Global Database. Option 4. Use Amazon S3 Transfer Acceleration to speed up downloads. And the correct answer is Option 1. Use Amazon CloudFront to get the content closer to users. Explanation. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network CDN that enables you to cache content in edge locations that are located around the world. This brings your media closer to your end users, which reduces latency and improves the user experience. Use Amazon CloudFront to get the content closer to users is the correct answer. Use Amazon S3 Transfer Acceleration to speed up downloads is incorrect. Amazon S3 Transfer Acceleration is a feature that is used for accelerating uploads to Amazon S3, not for downloads. Use Amazon EBS cross-region replication to get the content close to the users is incorrect. Amazon EBS cross-region replication does not exist. S3 cross-region replication does. You can copy EBS volumes across regions manually or programmatically. However, EBS is not a good way to get your content closer to your users, as you would need to mount the volume to an EC2 instance, additional cost, and would also need to find a way to keep your files in sync. Use Amazon Aurora Global Database is incorrect. Amazon Aurora Global Database is designed for globally distributed applications, allowing a single Amazon Aurora database to span multiple AWS regions. This is a way to have an SQL database across regions, which is not a good use case for hosting media files. Question 79. Which AWS service can assist with providing recommended actions on cost optimization? Now the options are: Option 1. Amazon CloudWatch Events. Option 2. AWS Trusted Advisor. Option 3. AWS Artifact. Option 4. AWS Inspector. And the correct answer is Option 2. AWS Trusted Advisor. Explanation. Trusted Advisor is an online resource that helps to reduce cost, increase performance, and improve security by optimizing your AWS environment. AWS Trusted Advisor is the correct answer. AWS Inspector is incorrect. Inspector is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of applications deployed on AWS. AWS Artifact is incorrect. AWS Artifact is a resource for obtaining compliance-related information. Amazon CloudWatch Events is incorrect. Amazon CloudWatch Events delivers a near real-time stream of system events that describe changes in Amazon Web Service resources. Question 80. Which AWS service can be used to send automated notifications to HTTP endpoints? Now the options are: Option 1. Amazon SNS. Option 2. Amazon SWF. Option 3. Amazon SQS. Option 4. Amazon SES. And the correct answer is Option 1. Amazon SNS. Explanation. Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS, is a web service that makes it easy to set up, operate, and send notifications from the cloud. SNS can be used to send automated or manual notifications to email, mobile SMS, SQS, and HTTP endpoints. Amazon SNS is the correct answer. Amazon SQS is incorrect. Amazon Simple Queue Service SQS is a fully managed message queuing service that enables you to decouple and scale microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. This is a message bus, not a notification service. Amazon SWF is incorrect. Amazon SWF helps developers build, run, and scale background jobs that have parallel or sequential steps. It is not a notification service. Amazon SES is incorrect. Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon SES, is a cloud-based email sending service designed to help digital marketers and application developers send marketing, notification, and transactional emails. It is limited to sending email. Question 81. Which type of storage stores objects comprised of key value pairs? Now the options are: Option 1. Amazon S3. Option 2. Amazon EFS. Option 3. Amazon DynamoDB. Option 4. Amazon EBS. And the correct answer is Option 1. Amazon S3. Explanation. Amazon Simple Storage Service is a storage for the internet. It is designed to make web-scale computing easier for developers. Amazon S3 is an object-based storage system that stores objects that are comprised of key value pairs. Amazon S3 is the correct answer. Amazon DynamoDB is incorrect. Amazon DynamoDB stores items, not objects, based on key value pairs. Amazon EBS is incorrect. Amazon EBS is a block-based storage system. Amazon EFS is incorrect. Amazon EFS is a file-based storage system. Question 82. Which AWS feature of Amazon EC2 allows an administrator to create a standardized image that can be used for launching new instances? Now the options are: Option 1. Amazon EBS Mount Point. Option 2. Amazon Block Template. Option 3. Amazon Machine Image. Option 4. Amazon Golden Image. And the correct answer is Option 3. Amazon Machine Image. Explanation. An Amazon Machine Image (AMI) provides the information required to launch an instance. You can use an AMI to launch identical instances from a standard template. This is also known as a golden image, though no such feature exists in AWS with this name. An AMI is created from an EBS snapshot and also includes launch permissions and a block device mapping. Amazon Machine Image is the correct answer. Amazon Golden Image is incorrect, as this is not an AWS feature. Amazon Block Template is incorrect. Amazon Block Templates do not exist. Amazon EBS Mount Point is incorrect. An Amazon EBS Mount Point is not an AWS feature. You do mount EBS volumes, however, this is within the operating system. Block device mappings are used in AMIs to specify how to mount the EBS volume. Question 83. What is an edge location? Now the options are: Option 1. A public endpoint for Amazon S3. Option 2. A virtual private gateway for VPN. Option 3. A VPC peering connection endpoint. Option 4. A content delivery network CDN endpoint for CloudFront. And the correct answer is Option 4. A content delivery network endpoint for CloudFront. Explanation. Edge locations are content delivery network CDN endpoints for CloudFront. There are many more edge locations than reasons. A content delivery network CDN endpoint for CloudFront is the correct answer. A public endpoint for Amazon S3 is incorrect, as it is not related to S3. A virtual private gateway for VPN is incorrect, as it is not related to VPN. A VPC peering connection endpoint is incorrect, as it is not related to VPC. Question 84. How can you configure Amazon Route 53 to monitor the health and performance of your application? Now the options are: Option 1. Using CloudWatch. Option 2. Using DNS lookups. Option 3. Using Route 53 health checks. Option 4. Using the Route 53 API. And the correct answer is Option 3. Using Route 53 health checks. Explanation. Amazon Route 53 health checks monitor the health and performance of your web applications, web servers, and other resources. None of the other options provide a solution that can check the health and performance of an application. Using Route 53 health checks is the correct answer. Using DNS lookups is incorrect. Using the Route 53 API is incorrect. Using CloudWatch is incorrect. Question 85. Which tools can you use to manage identities in IAM? Select two options. Now the options are: Option 1. AWS Command Line Tools. Option 2. AWS Management Console. Option 3. Amazon Workspaces. Option 4. EC2 Management Console. Option 5. Amazon CloudWatch API. And the correct answer is Option 1. AWS Command Line Tools and Option 2. AWS Management Console. Explanation. You can manage AWS Identity and Access Management identities through the AWS Management Console, AWS Command Line Tools, AWS SDKs, and IAM HTTPS API. AWS Management Console is the correct answer. AWS Command Line Tools is also a correct answer. Amazon CloudWatch API is incorrect. CloudWatch is not used for managing identities in IAM. It is a service used for monitoring the state of your AWS resources. EC2 Management Console is incorrect. The EC2 Management Console cannot be used for managing identities in IAM. Amazon Workspaces is incorrect. Amazon Workspaces is a managed desktop computing service running on the AWS cloud. Question 86. What feature of Amazon S3 enables you to set rules to automatically transfer objects between different storage classes at defined time intervals? Now the options are: Option 1. Auto Lifecycle Scaling. Option 2. Object Lifecycle Management. Option 3. Elastic Data Management. Option 4. S3 Archiving. And the correct answer is Option 2. Object Lifecycle Management. Explanation. Object lifecycle management can be used with objects so that they are stored cost effectively throughout their life cycle. Objects can be transitioned to another storage class or expired. All other options are incorrect, as they are not services that can automatically transfer objects between S3 storage classes. Object Lifecycle Management is the correct answer. Elastic Data Management is incorrect. Auto Lifecycle Scaling is incorrect. S3 Archiving is incorrect. Question 87. A user deploys an Amazon Aurora database instance in multiple availability zones. This strategy involves which pillar of the AWS well-architected framework? Now the options are: Option 1, Cost Optimization. Option 2, Performance Efficiency. Option 3, Reliability. Option 4, Security. And the correct answer is Option 3, Reliability. Explanation. The reliability pillar includes the ability of a system to recover from infrastructure or service disruptions, dynamically acquire computing resources to meet demand, and mitigate disruptions such as misconfigurations or transient network issues. There are 5 design principles for reliability in the cloud. Test recovery procedure. Automatically recover from failure. Scale horizontally to increase aggregate system availability. Stop guessing capacity. Manage change in automation. The example given in the question is related to automatically recover from failure. Reliability is the correct answer. Performance efficiency is incorrect, as this is an example of reliability. Cost optimization is incorrect, as this is an example of reliability. Security is incorrect, as this is an example of reliability. Question 88. Which support plan is the lowest cost option that allows unlimited cases to be open? Now the options are: Option 1, Enterprise. Option 2, Business. Option 3, Developer. Option 4, Basic. And the correct answer is Option 3, Developer. Explanation. With the Developer plan, you can open unlimited cases. You can also open unlimited cases with the Business and Enterprise plans, but these are more expensive. You cannot open any support cases with the Basic support plan. Developer is the correct answer. Basic is incorrect. Business is incorrect. Enterprise is incorrect. Question 89. Which type of EBS volumes can be encrypted? Now the options are: Option 1, only root volumes can have encryption applied at launch time. Option 2, both non-root and root volumes. Option 3, non-root volumes only. Option 4, only non-root volumes created from snapshots. And the correct answer is Option 2, both non-root and root volumes. Explanation. Amazon EBS encryption offers a straightforward encryption solution for your own EBS resources that doesn't require you to build, maintain, and secure your own key management infrastructure. It uses AWS Key Management Service AWS KMS, Customer Master Keys CMK, when creating encrypted volumes and snapshots. Encryption operations occur on the servers that host EC2 instances, ensuring the security of both data at rest and data in transit between an instance and its attached EBS storage. All volumes can now be encrypted at launch time, and it's possible to set this as the default setting. Both non-root and root volumes is the correct answer. Non-root volumes only is incorrect, as this is not true. Only non-root volumes created from snapshots is incorrect, as you can encrypt all EBS volumes whether created from snapshots or not. Only root volumes can have encryption applied at launch time is incorrect, as all volumes can have encryption applied at launch time. Question 90. Which of the below is an example of optimizing for cost? Now the options are: Option 1, choosing the fastest EC2 instance to ensure performance. Option 2, provision extra capacity to allow for growth. Option 3, replace an EC2 compute instance with AWS Lambda. Option 4, deploy resources with AWS Cloud Formation. And the correct answer is Option 3, replace an EC2 compute instance with AWS Lambda. Explanation. Where possible, you should replace EC2 workloads with AWS managed services that don't require you to take any capacity decisions. AWS Lambda is a serverless services and you only pay for actual processing time. Other examples of services that you don't need to make capacity decisions would include ELB, CloudFront, SQS, Kinesis Firehouse, SES, and Cloud Search. Replace an EC2 compute instance with AWS Lambda is the correct answer. Choosing the fastest EC2 instance to ensure performance is incorrect. You should not choose the fastest EC2 instance if you are trying to optimize for cost, as this will be expensive. You should right size your EC2 instances. So, you use the cheapest EC2 instance to suit your workload's requirements. Provision extra capacity to allow for growth is incorrect. Provisioning extra capacity for growth is not an example of cost optimization. With cloud computing, you no longer need to do this as you can configure applications, databases, and storage systems to grow on demand. Deploy resources with AWS CloudFormation is incorrect. Deploying resources with CloudFormation is great for consistently deploying application configurations from a template. However, this is not an example of cost optimization. It is more an example of operational optimization. Thanks for watching. Buy our AWS certified Cloud Practitioner CLF-C01 premium questions with 50% off. Check link in the description.